think knowing your cost is the key to a good operation. And the software allows you to know exactly what your equipment's costing you to run that equipment, what exactly your project cost you. Have you made money on that project? Where did you lose the money? And you go back and find out, okay, what did we do wrong? What did we put in our bid? And what did it really cost us? And why is it different? Where do we make our money? Where do we lose our money? It is an excellent software.
I actually know how much money I'm making. I mean, before we used to look at a job and say, well, do you think we're going to make money on this job? Well, I hope so. And this was me having a conversation with my brother, talking about, any particular job. And before it was kind of like, well, if everything goes smoothly, hopefully we should make money on this job. But now with the software that we're using, we know. And before we actually get the job and we're estimating the job, from our past use of the software with past jobs that we have gotten, we can now reference to the new jobs that we're bidding and estimating and then getting and then finishing. And then from a beginning to the end, we actually can see that we are making, say 10%, 20%, 30% on each job. And now we know. Versus before, it was kind of like, well, we think we made money, but now we know.
In construction, it's actually a relatively small cost for the amount of productivity that you gain. In construction, relatively, the numbers are large, so it's a high return on investment for us.
I think it's made our company more profitable. It has brought detail to projects. Detail comes profit. Detail becomes accountability. It becomes a point where we know where we're sitting, we know where we're going, and we know where we've been, and we know how to improve if we need to, or bring it to the table.
I think highly of all the employees that works for Maxwell Systems. They're like your friend, They understand your business. They will, a lot of them have worked in our industry, and they can understand exactly what you're asking them, and your situation you're in, and everybody's different. We all have different situations and need different information. And they know exactly what to do, to tell you how to set it up, or if you've got an issue and something's not working right, they know exactly what to do in order to help you solve your problems.
And the people that I work with, they've been with Maxwell for such a long time, so they know the software, from beginning to end. And they even help a lot of times with just our brainstorming, with new processes and new things that we want to do. And yeah, we're very comfortable with them. They're very helpful.
We had trial experiences with all the other software companies. The reason why we did pick Maxwell is because of the product support, customer service.
I can, call you guys anytime I need. If there's a problem, your tech support has been wonderful. Everyone has always been very helpful right there. As soon as I make the phone call, you don't get, passed on to 5 different people. You don't have to call them back. You don't have to wait for a phone call. They're right there. They help you. They walk you through things, and, they fix the issue. Not many other software companies do that.
I think Maxwell's made up of a really, really wonderful combination of technology and industry-specific expertise. They know construction. They're interested in the subject. They're interested in moving it along. And they're interested in customer retention. They are very pleased with introducing people that have used the software for 25 years. And it's really wonderful to go back to a company that I'm talking to the same people I talked to 15 years ago. Tells me that they're probably going to be around for a long time.
I think they also, being able to talk to the employees that have been there for 15, 20, 25 years, they obviously take good care of their employees too. And when you talk to one of the techs on the phone, or you chat with them, they're always looking for the answer to help you to answer your questions.
Yes, I would definitely recommend Maxwell Systems. They are a great company to be with. All the people are very nice, very friendly. They'll do anything to help you. Anytime you have a problem, even customer support, they're there calling you right back, making sure that everything is fine. They'll even call in and get on your computer and handle it for you. And it's very good, timely basis. And everyone's just so nice. Like I said, I've been with them 16 years, and I know when I talk to the same people in support and everything who I'm getting, and they're going to take care of me.
One thing I noticed and I appreciate with Maxwell is there's a continuing, ongoing development. You know, every release that we get, you know, I see things in there. So there's a commitment to the product and a commitment to making it better and better.
With Maxwell Systems Pro Contractor MX, we really now have an overall solution that is going to help everyone here at the company, from estimating to accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll, our financial reporting, job cost reporting, and having up-to-date job cost information is so critical to our company that so that we can make changes as quickly as possible to be profitable or to cut losses, which will help us in our overall profitability and success as a company. It gives us a lot more ability to track costs right from the estimate right up through the end of our billing cycle, the end of the project, in a much more controlled manner with a much better audit trail. Putting everything under one umbrella is very important and very critical for us. Pro Contractor MX brings all that together and helps our team to be a team.
The thing that makes this thing work and the thing that makes this thing so appealing is you're able to connect your estimating, your job costs, right into your financials. It's a huge asset to have everything in one program. You can't put a value on it really because of just having all the programs in one. That's the key. From estimating to job costs throughout your accounting package, billings, change orders, you know, it's an invaluable resource actually. One of the assets to this program is the ability to find out where you're at any given point, and in an expeditious way that daily you can look at something and make them adjustments if you need to. If one thing that this has done has enabled us to see a truer picture of what our actual costs are. We're able to do things now on a daily basis, and when that information is entered at that point in time, your costs and everything are right there, enabling you to see exactly where your job is at any one particular time. The overall picture that you're able to obtain was just a huge asset to the overall company. Ultimately, you're trying to establish what your costs are. You're trying to cut corners wherever you can, and by monitoring and able to analyze more data enables you to do that. So hopefully, yeah, we're going to be more competitive, and we would only be able to do that through accurate estimating and accurate job costing, which, you know, enables us at the end to be more productive and more profitable.
I think the only reason why somebody would be without it is because A, they wouldn't know about it and they haven't been told about it. There's really not a reason why they wouldn't want it once they find out all the things that it does. This is really something that every construction company should have, and if they don't have it, they're definitely a step behind somebody who does.